So your question is, what is cloud computing? Let us see what our OS says. We will look at the first article for sure, but clear one thing first. The way we started to explain cloud computing is not promoting our own website. It has some purposes in an organized way, and basically I cannot guess about the basic knowledge about the audience who are watching this video like you. I have to go through a generalized way to explain. So this article is quite important because a lot of people are searching for what is cloud computing. In this video, actually, we will show some important practical things about cloud computing. This is the archive of our cloud computing section. If you do a simple math, you will guess the number of articles we published still date. But even if you read all the articles, if you have no idea about the basic model of cloud computing and the purpose, it will be fully a complete wastage of time. So this is the importance of a video versus a text writing. The best article from our website to start understanding cloud computing is this article on cloud computing service models. There are certain terminologies like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, as well as private cloud and public cloud. Software as a service is actually the web applications like an email service you use, like Gmail or calendar application that you use every day. In this case, you need not to know how Gmail actually works. It's easy but has less control by you. The next is platform as a service. Heroku is a prototype platform as a service provider. You or I can install any web software like WordPress or an email application that will work like Gmail. We have a bit more control here in this platform as a service model. We have a lot of articles, a lot of tutorials, guides, videos where we have shown how to install WordPress or any other software on this Heroku platform as a service uh, model platform rather. Definitely. Unlike software as a service, in platform as a service model, you need to know the command line interface as well as the Unix commands. There are other platform as service providers like AppFork. You can actually install WordPress in AppFork within few clicks. Both this software as a service and platform as a service come with a free usage quota. For the developers, this platform as a service is a good free resource to test and develop softwares. Infrastructure as a service is a broader terminology. Rackspace Cloud Server is an example of such infrastructure as a service. You can select the region, the name of the server, and the server operating system from a big list. And of course, you can define the RAM. Just click the create server and you will get a new server. The pricing is on hourly usage basis, that is pay as you go. What we have said till now is about the types of public cloud. We will not discuss on private cloud as it is more complex, and hybrid cloud covers the both world. Now the question is arising in your mind is how this cloud runs. Virtualization is the enabling technology behind the cloud computing. Cloud computing is fully related to computer networking, and one setup of a cloud computing platform or a data center demands a special data center and high performance hardwares. So how this cloud is created, basically a technical part which practically the user never needs to know. Possibly the word cloud confuses the new users. Just like Apple creates computers or rather manufactures computers and has nothing to do with the fruit apple, cloud has nothing to do with the sky or anything that comes out of nature. It's just a nomenclature. Just like Apple might have a relationship with the Newton, cloud might have relationship with the terminology, but that is so far it is not needed to know. It is just another technology, and as an user, you will never need to know how it is set up. Now, what cloud actually can offer you? Apart from web hosting, there are many usages as it can provide more computing resource. For example, you can set up a Rackspace Cloud Server as VNC with more RAM than your physical home or office computer actually can have, something like 30 GB. You can lower down the RAM as you need. You can access the remote desktop from your Windows PC, your Mac, or any mobile device. When you are using the internet through that servers, that is the remote computer's browser, the internet is of the infrastructure provider, that is Rackspace in this case. What we wanted to point out in this short video on what is cloud computing is that cloud computing is related to server technology and computer networking. This video guide is for setup of private cloud. In this case, apart from command line works, we need to set up the networking. This setup of networking is never needed for public cloud with cloud server.